Let's take just a second and talk about the task scheduler and how we could use it to save out a set of drawings that maybe we don't have time to do during the day, or we simply want to use the task scheduler to work after hours for us. So here I've got an assembly and I've got several parts that belong to it. And what I want to do is ultimately create the batch of drawings for all of those parts. So in this case, I'm going to use the task scheduler to do this. And you'll note that I have a function already for creating drawings. And so what I'm going to do is browse out to a template that I've created ahead of time. It's a predefined template that already has a front, top, and right view. All the associated annotations already applied to them. Once we select the template that we want and then add the folder of the files that we want, we can then tell the task scheduler how often we want to run this task and where we want to place our finalized files. In this case, you can see I've got a drawings folder already established for this. I'll go ahead and say finish, and since I didn't set a predetermined time, SOLIDWORKS goes ahead and starts initiating the task at hand. You'll note that in the background, SOLIDWORKS starts to open up and then save out all of these parts and their associated drawings to the template that I've requested. Once complete, we can now go back to the task scheduler and it tells us that the status is completed. We'll now go to our drawings folder and we can find the files that we've saved out. We'll open one up and take a look at it. Here you can see our loaded drawing, and the views are where we want them. Note that we do have annotations as far as our dimensions already in place, and with very little cleanup work, we'll have a drawing that's ready to put out to the shop. So consider using Task Scheduler for your next project.